this is the Farringdon design now. So cut the tape open, pop the lid on the box. It's just a packer piece to make sure everything's solid, and then you'll see what's in the box. So there's actually 4 components that make this design. You've got a 6x6 square, which is surface beveled to make it look like 3x3s. You've then got 2 outer pieces, again 6x3, surface beveled to 3x3 squares, and a 3x3 square that sits. This is a repeat pattern, and that's how the pattern follows. Go on side. When you're lining up, again, you've got your north-south line, east-west. Now what you've got is a 9-inch tile when everything's put together. But you need to half this tile to make sure all 4 points are hitting. So the measurement from the centre to the top of the tip of the black, which you're going to start on, is 160 mil. So from your centre line, you measure 160 mil up. It can go both ways, but you want to go north to south because you're going to lay the black one. You then start the black tip on the central line, and then just continue to lay away. If you wanted to, you can use some side pieces just to make sure the alignment is perfect. And that's 1 square. Then as you can see, the next one will just continue the same again. You can lay this both square or diagonal. Personally, I prefer it on a diagonal.